All right, does everybody have something to write with? Whether it's your dry erase sleeve and marker or a notebook and pencil. Excellent. I am going to keep you on mute for just a second. We are going to start off doing some, let me show you. We're going to start off doing some math facts. All right, so you can unmute. Go ahead, everybody unmute. And we're going to practice our math facts. These are all +4s. So we're going to say the biggest number, and we're going to count up. So we're going to say 7 and count up 4. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 11. So what is 4 plus 7?
11.
Nice job. All right. 4 plus 10. So let's say 10 and count up 4. Ready? Say 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's 4 plus 10?
14.
Excellent work. Ooh, 4 plus 5. All right, let's say 5. You don't need your writing for this. You don't need your pencil and paper for this part. This is all supposed to be in your brain quick. All right, so say 5. And let's count up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
4 plus 5 is 9.
Miss Kennedy.
What, Sayer?
Where's Shania?
Honey, we're working on our math facts. You should be participating with our math facts. 10 plus 4. We're going to say 10 and count up 4. Are you ready? 10. Say 10.
11. 12. 9. 8.
What's 10 plus 4? 10,
11.
12, 13, 14.
12. 13. 14.
Yeah. All right, we are not writing yet, friends.
13.
Please put your pencil down. Put your paper down. Nehemiah, we're not writing now, honey. This isn't the writing part. All right, this isn't the writing part, friends. All right, so say 9 and count up 4. Ready? Say 9, 10,
11, 12, 13,
so what's 9 plus 4?
13.
13. Nice job. I want to hear you counting up.
14.
All right. Ooh, we can do 4. Say 4 and count up 1 more. 4, 5. Good work. All right, last one. 4 plus 6. Let's say 6 and count up 4. Ready? 6, 7,
7, 8,
so what's 4 plus 6?
10, 11, 11,
Wait, where's 11? Let's try that again. Let's say 6
11,
and count up 4. 6,
6,
7, 8,
10,
9,
9,
10.
10,
4 plus 6 is a friend of 10. Nice job.
10.
Let's check. All right. I would like everybody to mute now. Everybody go ahead and mute. Oh, it got so much quieter. Make sure you're muted. All right. So I'm going to share my screen again. And this time, instead of doing our math facts ninja style, we are going to listen to a short little song. Actually, I need to stop sharing because I did it wrong. And we
What is
turn off the voice, please. And we're going to listen to what some of the keywords for addition and subtraction are, because we're working on story problems, and it's important for us to know what the words mean. Do they tell us to add, or does it tell us to subtract? If you have a pencil or a marker, please make sure it is out of your hands. Your hands should be empty, and your brains and your eyes should be focusing. So no writing right now. Okay? All right. Your job is to listen to what keywords tell you addition. So listen, because I'm going to ask you to raise your hand and tell me. Ready?
These are the keywords that tell you what to do. Listen to me and you'll add to how many in all.
One.
What is the total? Put them all together. Find the sum too.
All right. Did anybody find one? Did anybody hear one that tells us addition? Let's go back.
The keywords that tell you what to do.
Listen. Yep,
Listen to
third
me
one.
and you'll add to how many in all.
Oh, what did that just tell us? Who knows? Santino, go ahead and unmute.
How many are all in?
How many in all? Absolutely. So the in all is a very important phrase. In all. All right, let's see what else. All right, let's see what else we can hear. We know in all. What else?
What is the total?
Ooh, what is another word that tells us to add?
What is the total?
Raise your hand, please. Sinai?
What is the total?
Yeah, the total. Oh, my marker isn't working. That's so sad. All right, so it's the total. All right, mute yourself. Let's see if we can hear another one.
Put them all together.
Oh, did you hear it?
What?
Yahtzee, what does it say? What did they say?
Together.
Yep, put them all together. All together. And then there's one more. You ready?
Find the sum too.
Oh, what did it say? Find the what? What would that be? Yeah? What does it say, Lamia?
Find the sum.
Find the sum. The sum is what the answer is called in addition. So find the sum. So we have in all, total, all together, and sum. But wait, what tells us to subtract? Let's listen to this one.
These are the keywords that tell you what to do. Listen to me and you'll subtract two. What's the difference?
Who heard it? Who heard it? What tells us to subtract? Sayer?
What's the difference?
Nice job. What's the difference? That tells you to subtract.
Good, Danny, you know what this is?
All right, Yahtzee, go ahead and mute. All right, let's see what the next one is.
How many are left?
Oh. What? Shania?
How many's left?
Yeah, how many are left? That means something went away or got taken away. So how many are left? If you ever hear the word like are left,
My class in your class. Did you learn?
all right. Let's see what's next.
How many fewer?
Oh, I almost didn't stop it in time. Nehemiah, what's the key word for subtraction?
Four.
Nehemiah?
Fewer.
Fewer. You had your hand up. Nice job. Fewer. All right, make sure everybody's muted, please. I'm hearing a lot of background noise. Please mute. Everybody should be muted. Yahtzee, stay muted, honey. All right, here's another one.
Which is less?
Oh, what was that last one? Raise your hand. Nope. Santino, what's that last one?
Which is less?
Yes, which is less? Everybody needs to mute, please. Please mute and stay muted until I call on you. Thank you. All right, so to learn subtraction, to tell us the difference, what's the difference? That tells us to subtract. How many are left? How many fewer or less? Those all tell us to subtract. So what we're going to do is we are going to work on some story problems together. All right, this is where you're going to need your writing. Everybody hold up your marker or your pencil so I can see you're ready. Nobody should have been drawing yet. Nobody should have been writing, so please hold it up. All right, I see Lamia has it. Santino, do you have something to write with? Nehemiah's good. Yahtzee, Sanai, Prince, Sayer, nice. Shania, Jazzy, do you have something to write with? Excellent. You have paper with you too? All right. So, excellent. All right, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to read this to you. Don't write anything yet. Okay? So this says, Max the monkey loves bananas. If you love bananas, touch your nose. I love bananas. All right. He ate 7 bananas in the morning. Then he ate 8 bananas at night. How many bananas did Max eat in all? So first we need to figure out what it's telling us. What is it telling us to do? Is it telling us to add? Or is it telling us to subtract? Look at, please mute. I did not call on anybody yet. Please mute. Thank you. All right. We're going to look at the key words that tell us what to do. Let's see. Do you see difference at all in there? No, it's how many bananas did Max eat in all? I'm going to look for in all because that's the question. See the question mark at the end? That's the question. So in all, do you see in all? Raise your hand if you see in all. Yeah, it's right there. In all, so what do we have to do? We have to add. All right, so what 2 numbers do we have, right? In all tells us to add. But what are the 2 numbers that we have? Raise your hand. What 2 numbers do you see in the story problem? What 2 numbers? Yahtzee, what numbers do you see?
7 and 8.
Right, good job. So we have 7 bananas and 8 bananas. So 7 plus 8, because we're adding. But guess what, friends? You don't have enough fingers. So right now, you are going to draw a picture. All right, so go ahead and draw 7 bananas. Instead of drawing bananas, please just use a dot. Okay, so draw 7 dots to show 7 bananas. All right, I drew my 7 dots. Hold up your 7 dots when you draw them. Nice. Yeah, I did mine in a nice neat row so they're easy to count. Good. All right, so he ate 7 bananas. What's the other number that the story problem tells us? What's the other number that the story problem told us? Yeah, 8 right here, right? So now underneath your 7, I need you to draw 8. He ate 8 more bananas at night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so when you're done drawing your 7 banana dots and then your 8 banana dots, hold it up so I can see all of your banana dots. Woo, nice, Lamia. Nice. Good work, Jazzy. All right, I see him. All right. So we drew a picture.
I'm done.
All right, so we drew a picture, but do we know how many bananas Max ate in all yet? What do we have to do to those dots? Who said we need to count them all? Who said that? Yeah, we have to count all of the dots. So go ahead right now, count all of the dots that you drew. Because you drew your 7 dots and you drew your 8 dots. Now count them all together. Don't say the answer yet. When you have the answer, put both hands on your head. When you have the answer, put both hands on your head. Nice. Ooh, Sinai, Prince, Jazzy, and Zoe have the answer. Nehemiah, Shania, Lamia, Santino, you guys all have the answer? Okay. All right, everybody unmute. Don't say anything yet, though. Don't say anything yet. Okay, so we had 7 plus 8.
7.
Wait, blow the answer into your hand. Blow how many into your hand? All right, get ready. 7 plus 8 equals
15.
what? 15? High five, friends.
15.
Nice work. All right, go ahead and mute. Go ahead and mute. Nice job solving that problem. So now,
There, mute it.
so now I want you to write a number sentence to show me this. Okay? So the number sentence. So what's your first number that you drew? Whoa. Yeah, count your first set of dots. Remember, our first number was 7. And then how many bananas did he eat at night? What was our other number? Nice job. And what is our answer? What did you say?
15.
Nice, 15. But wait, I am missing the sign. Were we supposed to subtract or did we add?
Add.
We did, we added. So your number sentence should look just like mine. 7 plus 8 equals 15. When you have it written, hold it up so I can see it. Shania, where's your plus and your equals? It should look like this. It's a number sentence. We need to have the plus and the equals. So hold it up. Show me your number sentence, please. Nice. Good job. All right. Excellent work. We are going to do one more together. All right, are you ready? Okay. So if you have your dry erase, you can erase it, but don't do any writing. Put your pencil down. Hands. Okay, because we have to figure out if we're going to add or subtract first. All right, so this says, Jill went to the fair. Sounds like fun. She had 16 tickets to go on rides. Jill used 4 tickets on the big slide. How many tickets did Jill have left? So that's the question, or question mark. Have left. Does that tell us to add or subtract? Let's look at our chart. Left. Have left or are left? Do you see it?
Yes.
In all, total, all together, some, different, are left, fewer, or less. Oh, did you hear it?
I'm just scribbling.
Santina, you should be paying attention, not scribbling. All right, everybody, please mute. Thank you. Our left or have left tells us to subtract. So we're going to subtract. What are the 2 numbers that we know? Raise your hand. What are the 2 numbers?
I gotta go lose the bathroom.
Please raise your hand. What are the 2 numbers that we know? Sinai, what are the 2 numbers that we know?
Yeah.
What are the 2 numbers that we know?
Taking so long to get our diary.
Yeah, see, to me, please mute. Sinai, honey, what 2 numbers? 16 and 4. All right, everybody, please mute if you're not muted. All right. So what we need to do is draw a picture to help us figure it out. She had 16 tickets to go on a ride. Oh, so if we're subtracting, we have to draw the big number first. So 16, this is a lot.
I gotta lose the bathroom.
Then honey, just go quietly. So I want you to draw 16 dots to show the 16 tickets. The best thing to do is draw them in a nice, neat line so you don't get confused. Go ahead and draw 16 dots.
Oh my. I'm back. 1, 2, 3.
Everybody should be muted. All right, once you drew your 16 dots, please hold it up. Double check and make sure there's 16, please. Make sure you are drawing them yourself. Your grown-ups already know how to subtract. I want you to draw them. All right, I see Jazzy has them. So now I double check and make sure there's 16 of them. It's always important to double check your work. Good work. All right, double check them. All right, so, all right. It says she used 4. If you use 4, does that mean you still have them or do they go away?
They go away.
They go away. So friends, when we show things going away in our drawing, we don't erase them. We're going to X them out. So how many do we have to X out? How many did she use? Show me with your fingers. How many did she use? Nice, thank you, Lamia. How many did she use? She used 4, right? So I want you to X out 4 of your ticket dots. Ready? Just like this, like I'm doing. I'm Xing them out. X'd out 1, 2, 3, 4.
I X out 4.
All right. Oh, nice. I see Shania's got it. X'd out 4. Yep, we don't erase them. That way we know what other numbers. Thank you, Sinai. Right. X'd out. Jazzy, nice. Thank you. All right, Lamia. Good. Santino, did you X out 4? Santino, did you X out 4? Yes. Okay. All right. So the question that we want to know is how many tickets did Jill have left? That means we have to count all the dots that are left. So go ahead and count how many dots you had left.
12.
Just count, don't say it yet. All right, once you have your answer, you can unmute and blow it into your hand. How many dots are there?
12.
Hold on, don't say it yet. She had 16 tickets. She used 4. How many does she have left?
12.
12. Good job. All right, go ahead and mute. All right, please mute now. All right, yes, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. 12 are left. So now I want you to write your number sentence. How many did she start with? What was the big number? How many did she start with? That is your first number for your number sentence. How many did she use? I would like you to write your number sentence down. Write your number sentence down.
4.
Please write it down. Then what is the answer? See if you can solve that one and show it to me so I know what to write on mine. Oh, what's the sign? Don't forget to fill in your sign.
Left.
What did we do? Whoa, goodness gracious. Did we add or please subtract? Show me. Don't tell me. I want you to show me. Show me with your work. Ooh, nice. Nehemiah, make sure you have your answer. What's the answer? Equals what? All right, let's see. You started with 16. Can you show me what sign you made? Like this. Did you use the subtraction sign? So my arm looks like a minus sign. Or did you use the plus sign?
Minus.
Show me with your hands. Did you use the minus sign? Or did you use the plus sign? Show me.
Minus sign.
Please turn off your voice. I want to see. I saw somebody use the equal sign. Plus, did we add these numbers together?
No.
We crossed out. So crossing out means minus. So your sign should be minus. And you were right. Your answer was 12. All right. Make sure your sign looks like mine. 16 minus 4 equals 12. Nice work. All right. Now, your next step, nice job. While this is all fresh in your brain, all right, in Schoology, your math assignment, you need to open it with Cami. This is just like what we've been doing. Okay? So it says there are 5 cups on the map. 2 more cups are on the table. How many cups are there in all? Right? So they just have a bunch of cups for you. You need to make sure you're either adding or subtracting. Look at the key words. What does it tell you to do? You have,
11.
please don't tell me. You're going to write your number sentence, and then you're going to put the answer down here. Okay? That is in Schoology. That's your assignment. You need to turn it in so you can get credit for all your hard work. Okay? Give me a thumbs up if you understand. Look at all those beautiful thumbs. Shania, no more drawing, babe. You're doing math. Thumbs up. Excellent. All right, I should see all of your work in just a few minutes because I don't think that's going to take you very long because your math brains are on fire right now. All right, give me a high five. All right, see you later, alligators. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.